In this video, we are going to solve a problem involving three circles touching each other externally. Let us read the problem. Circles with the centers A, B, and C touch each other externally. AB is 17 centimeters. This is the AB. AC is 15 centimeters. This is the AC. And BC is 20 centimeters. This is the BC. Find the radius of its circle. Step number 1, let A is equal to the radius of the circle with center A. Let B is equal to the radius of the circle with center B. Let C is equal to the radius of the circle with center C. Step number 2, add A to B. So A plus B is AB. But we know that AB is equal to 17 centimeters. So A plus B is equal to 17. Add A to C. A plus C is equal to AC. But AC is equal to 15 centimeters. So A plus C is equal to 15. Add B to C. B plus C is equal to BC. But BC is equal to 20 centimeters. So B plus C is equal to 20. In step 2, we said that A plus B is equal to 17. A plus C is equal to 15. B plus C is equal to 20. This is a system of equations. Step number 3, eliminate A. We can eliminate A from the first equation and the second equation. The first equation is A plus B is equal to 17, and the second equation is equal to A plus C is equal to 15. If we add here, A plus A is 2A, B plus C is B plus C. We cannot eliminate A. We can eliminate A by subtraction. So, we write A plus B is equal to 17. Change the sign of A from positive to negative, and the sign of C from positive to negative, the sign of 15 from positive to negative. So, negative A is equal to 0, and then this is B minus C is equal to 2. 17 and negative 15 is the 2. Step number 4, eliminate C. We can eliminate C by using the third equation, B plus C is equal to 20. And this equation, B minus C is equal to 2. By addition, we can eliminate C. So, this becomes 2B is equal to 22. B plus B is the 2B, and then 20 plus 2 is 22. Solve for B. Divide both sides by 2. So, B is equal to 11 centimeters. So, the radius of the circle with the center B is 11 centimeters. Let us write it here, 11 centimeters. This is the radius of the circle with the center B. In step 2, we said that A plus B is equal to 17. A plus C is equal to 15. B plus C is equal to 20. Step number 5. A plus B is equal to 17. This is the first equation. We already know the value of B, or the radius of the circle with the center B. It is 11 centimeters. So just substitute 11 for B. So we have now A plus 11 is equal to 17. Transpose the positive 11 to the other side. Change its sign from positive to negative. So we have now A is equal to 17 minus 11. A is equal to 6 centimeters. The radius of the circle with the center A is equal to 6 centimeters. Let us write 6 centimeters here. We already know the radius of the circle with the center A. It is 6 centimeters. And the radius of the circle with the center B, it is 11 centimeters. We can determine the radius of the circle with the center C by using the second equation. A plus C is equal to 15. So next step, A plus C is equal to 15. Just substitute 6 for A because 6 is the value of A. So 6 plus C is equal to 15. Transpose 6 to the right side. Change its sign from positive to negative. So C is equal to 15 minus 6. C is equal to 9 centimeters. The radius of the circle with the center C is 9 centimeters. Let's write 9 centimeters here. So the radius of the circle with center A is 6 centimeters. The radius of the circle with center B is 11 centimeters. And the radius of the circle with center C is 9 centimeters. Let us check. According to the problem, AB is equal to 17 centimeters. This is AB. 6 centimeters plus 11 centimeters is equal to 17 centimeters. AC is equal to 15 centimeters. This is the AC. This is 6 centimeters. This is the 9 centimeters. 6 centimeters plus 9 centimeters is equal to 15 centimeters. BC is equal to 20 centimeters. This is the BC. This is the 11 centimeters. This is 9 centimeters. 11 plus 9 is 20. So 20 centimeters.